Hello friends, in order to replace steering tips, first of all we need to make sure that there is a grease under the tip boot or not. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, I have same heat resistant grease here. In the absence of lubricant in the tip, I will add a little from myself. We disassemble the anther and see that there is enough lubricant here. I will not add anything from myself, since there is enough lubricant here. This step will last a long time. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.